And that is just it. He's just going to vote, and that's it. Sammy, you're still very confident about...
It's clear, it's written in the stars. God has ordained victory for Honorable Gyakye Quayson because God is a just God. And today, the injustice that has been perpetrated against the people of Assin, against Honorable Gyakye Quayson, will be righted. We are confident.
Your people say that you are sharing money. Are you sharing money?
Have you seen me here sharing money?
You may not be sharing it directly yourself. Have you instructed other people to be sharing money?
Nobody is sharing any money. We have campaigned based on the good works and the track record of Honorable Gyakye Quayson, his humility. That's what it's about. You understand? And we are confident of victory.
So, this is Gyakye Quayson over there. You're here to cut your butter. From your monitoring, I mean, is everything okay? But from your monitoring, is everything okay?
So far, the process has been peaceful. So far, peaceful. It's just the monetization. But we are not worried. They can share all the money in the vaults of the Bank of Ghana. They will lose the election because victory belongs to God.
Okay, so that's Sammy Gyamfi, the communications officer of the NDC and also the campaign manager for Gyakye Quayson. So Gyakye Quayson, in your short, is going to vote now. He's going there to cast his vote, and we're just going to be monitoring to see how he's going to be voting from this side. So that is
Namibia.